Okay, chances are if you are watching this video, you want to change your life by starting a side hustle. Perhaps you just want to make an extra $1,000 a month to make paying bills easier. Or maybe you want to completely transform your life by starting a side hustles that can make you $10,000 plus each month. Whatever your goals are, one of these side hustles on this list should be perfect for you. And even better, all of them are free to start. Yes, no paid apps, no paid subscription, no advertising. You can start any of these side hustles for 100% for free. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you multiple legit side hustles to make money online. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Into our first free side hustle, faceless mobile videos. This side hustle, you might have noticed, is popular on YouTube right now because it's making people hundreds of thousands of dollars a day. And the most popular of the faceless video types is to create a faceless mobile videos so that you can go ahead and post them inside Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts and earn money from video ads and affiliate commission. For example, this YouTuber posted a tutorial showing how he made this basic TikTok video where he talked about an AI app over a free Minecraft video that he downloaded from YouTube. He then put an affiliate link to that app in his bio or into his comments, and he made $150 from affiliate commissions alone. Thanks to AI, you can now start this side hustle for free. You can just go ahead and use ChatGPT's free version to generate and edit video scripts. And then you can just go ahead and use 11labs.io to generate a free AI voiceover. Plus, you can get free stock videos and pictures from Pexels or from Pixabay. And you can also use YouTube to MP4 to download YouTube videos. And you could just go ahead and use CapCut to edit videos easily. And yes, all of the programs that I've mentioned is completely free. On to our next side hustle, which is being a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is exactly what it sounds like. You do admin work like social media management, basic bookkeeping, customer service, or internet research in exchange for cash. If you are interested in doing this, I personally think that the easiest way to get clients is to sign up with a virtual assistant website that automatically pairs you together with a client that needs a virtual assistant, so that you don't have to do any marketing of yourself. This includes belaysolutions.com and fancyhands.com if you live in the USA, and Vervalent if you live in the UK. All of these are completely free to apply on, so just go ahead and try it out. For the next side hustles, which is a really good news for gamers, is being a game tester. Yes, there is a website called Playtest Cloud that lets mobile game companies submit their games to be tested, and they always want new testers to register, which is free to do so. On Reddit, users have been paid $10 to $20 for 30 minutes of testing gigs. So this could be a fun side hustle to earn some extra cash. So just go ahead and try it out. And for the next one, if you rather just have a free side hustles that pay you cash for a simple task, perhaps consider being a user tester. Yes, usertesting.com is probably the best and most popular website to do this side hustle with. You can register for free to be a web tester on their site. What you'll be doing is simple. You'll be trying different websites and apps that companies have created, and you'll be providing feedback on how simple and easy to use they are. So I'll just give you an example of a test. So take this test here. The user was asked to find a receipt on the website and find the button that would let them add this receipt to their grocery card. They just recorded the screen while doing this, while talking into their laptop's microphone, giving feedback as they navigated around the site. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. And on average, they pay around $10 per 20-minute test, making it decent yet easy side income. So for this next side hustles, you could go ahead and do this all around the world, and that is earning affiliate commission from tutorial videos like this one. For example, on TikTok, a lot of users have been creating videos, maybe on like Canva or CapCut, and in the past year, they have made $16,000 in commission from people clicking their affiliate links after watching their tutorial videos, which is pretty cool. And if you'd rather make a faceless videos, don't worry because you could just go ahead and do that. For example, this video that you are watching right now is specialized in creating tutorial videos. And even if you don't want to go ahead and speak into your mic, you could just go ahead and use AI voiceover like 11labs.io to go ahead and make your voiceovers. And once again, you could just go ahead and use CapCut to put everything all together, and now you have a tutorial video. And this brings us to the next side hustle, which can make you a lot money, and that is selling courses. For example, take this popular TikTok account, Miss Excel. She makes TikTok sharing Excel tips, tricks, and importantly tutorials. Well, did you know that she makes over $2 million a year from her TikTok by selling online courses? It is pretty crazy, and it's all funneling people from her tutorial videos to her courses. And if you want to create a course to sell for free, you can. Thinkific is a course creator app that lets you create, host, and sell courses for free. And here is another free side hustles that a lot of people often forget about: being a Skillshare teacher. A lot of people don't know this, but on Skillshare, anyone can apply to become a teacher for a topic and start getting paid for students watching your videos. You don't need to be a famous influencer to do this. And this video shares how this teacher makes $500 a month passively with no social media following. He has just 3 classes on Skillshare about using a technical drawing software app called Onshape. He doesn't advertise or market this himself. All of the traffic comes originally from Skillshare. So if you have a niche knowledge like this could be a great side hustle. It's free to register to become a teacher, and of course, you can film the videos for free using your phone, and you could just go ahead and use CapCut's free screen capture software for any on-screen tutorials that you need to record. Plus, of course, you can use CapCut's free version of video editor to edit your videos too. And for our next side hustle, which is Facebook Marketplace dropshipping. This is where you find a cool item for sale on a website like eBay, such as this item right here, which is selling for this price. And then you go to Facebook Marketplace and you choose a city and you create a listing for that item that you found on eBay or any other online stores, and you list it for a market price. So you can see items here that are being sold higher. And when that customer pays for the item, you could just go ahead and contact the eBay seller to ship the item directly to the customer. And if you're interested, there's a lot of free YouTube video tutorials which shows you a step-by-step process on how to go ahead and do this side hustle. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.